In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a banner for free using Canva. Whether you're a small business owner looking to enhance your online presence, a content creator in need of a fresh YouTube banner, or just someone wanting to design something eye-catching, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the entire process. The best part, it's simple, beginner-friendly, and completely free. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Canva's official website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, don't worry. It's free to sign up, and Canva will guide you through the process with easy-to-follow prompts. If you're new to Canva, you can also use the link in the description to create your account and follow along. Once you're logged in, locate the Create a Design button. It's in the top right corner of the home page, so it's hard to miss. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. Here, type the word banner and wait for a list of options to pop up. Select the suggested banner format. This ensures that you'll be working with the correct dimensions for most website banners, saving you time and effort in resizing or reformatting later. Next, you'll be prompted to choose an orientation for your design. Make sure to select the landscape option. Landscape orientation works best for banners because it's wide enough to grab attention while still keeping your design clean and easy to read. Whether you're creating a website header, a YouTube banner, or even a promotional graphic, this format will give you the space you need to include all the important details. Now comes the fun part. Design Canva offers a huge library of pre-designed banner templates to choose from. You can scroll through the available options, or if you have a specific theme in mind, use the search bar to narrow it down. For example, if you're creating a banner for your bakery, you could type something like fruit cake to find designs that match your brand. Templates are a great starting point because they save you from staring at a blank canvas and give you a solid foundation to work with. Once you find a template that fits your style or brand, click on it to open the editor. From here, it's time to make the design your own. Start by customizing the text. Simply click on any text box in the template and change it to reflect your message, business name, or slogan. Canva makes this super easy. Just type directly into the text box, and you'll see your changes in real time. After updating the text, it's a good idea to adjust the font, colors, and overall layout to better match your brand or personal style. You can choose from Canva's wide variety of fonts and color palettes, or if you already have your own brand colors, you can input those to keep everything consistent. If the template includes images that don't quite fit your theme, you can replace them with your own photos by uploading them to Canva. Alternatively, you can browse Canva's free photo library to find high-quality images that work for your design. Don't be afraid to experiment with different design elements. Canva has a ton of options like shapes, icons, and illustrations that you can use to enhance your banner. If you're testing out different ideas and something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Canva has an undo button that lets you revert changes instantly. This makes it easy to try new things without the fear of messing up your design. Once you're happy with the way your banner looks, it's time to download it. Look for the download button in the top right corner of the editor. Click on it, and you'll be given a few options for file types. For most online banners, PNG is the best choice because it provides high-quality images that look crisp and professional. Select PNG or whichever file type suits your needs, and then hit download. After your file is saved to your computer, it's ready to use. You can upload your banner to your website, YouTube channel, or any platform where you need an eye-catching visual. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a custom banner for free using Canva. With this easy-to-follow process, you can design professional-looking banners in no time. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.